Judge साहब, I filed before you.
अरे ऐसे कोई प्रिंट करता है क्या? Why have you printed on both sides? Get out! हट!
Believe it or not, this happens a lot in Indian courtrooms. No, I'm not talking about lawyers getting kicked out, but this. Hundreds of petitions printed on thousands of sheets of paper simply discarded after a single use. Every year, Indian courts use 11 billion sheets of paper. And after they are done, they are as good as this. Which is why we need to talk about paper wastage in Indian courts. Every year, the Supreme Court hears over 60,000 cases. Each document in each case has to be filed in a specific format. And for some strange reason, only on one side of a page. A PIL filed before the Supreme Court in 2017 contested exactly this. The plea stated that if 60,000 cases are heard in the Supreme Court each year, considering 8 files for each case and roughly 100 pages in each file, then approximately 48 million sheets of paper is used by the Supreme Court in a year. Now, add to that the 113,000 cases the High Courts hear each month. 9 months of functioning, 8 files, 100 papers, and that's another 813 million sheets of paper, taking the total to approximately 861 million. That's a lot of paper, right? But guess what? The lower courts waste a lot more. They hear about 12.5 million cases in a year, which adds another 10 billion sheets, a total of 11 billion. Yes, my lord, 11 billion sheets of paper. That's how much paper our legal system uses in just 1 year. Now, let's put a green cost to this in terms of trees and water. Consider this. The average tree can be chopped and pulped to give us 8,333 sheets of virgin paper. And it requires approximately 10 liters of water to produce 1 sheet of paper. So the courts in our country use 1.3 million trees and approximately 109 billion liters of water in a year just for paper. If we printed on both sides, then the water saved would be enough to fulfill the water requirements of Mumbai for 14 whole days. The water saved from the Supreme Court alone would be enough to provide a city as big as Bengaluru their daily water requirements for a day. So, why does this rule of printing only on one side of the page exist? Well, you won't believe it, my lord, but here you go. It's a colonial legacy when courts mandated printing only on one side as paper quality was thinner and typewriter ink would seep to the other side. In an age of superior printers and better quality paper, it is amazing that this ancient rule still lives on in our courts, wasting time, trees and pani. ये तो बहुत ही नाइंसाफी है, my lord. How can we fix this? Well, one could be digitization of court work, e-filing of cases and digitally storing documents. Not only will it save paper, paid and pani, it will bring in more transparency. We won't have instances like this. Case records will be accessible to trial courts, high courts and the Supreme Court all at the same time, and it will allow courts to deal with cases faster. In fact, e-filing was started by the Supreme Court in 2017, but the process got stalled. Why? Well, because the papers in the high courts weren't being digitized. Why? Because they didn't have the staff to scan and upload case papers that ran into lakhs of pages. Still more na-insafi, my lord. And get this, even courts like the National Green Tribunal, which rule on environmental matters every day, also waste lots of paper every day. While over the last 10 years, some judges have asked for papers from their courtrooms to be recycled, it's an exception and not the rule. So, to sum it up, our courts use a lot of paper, our courts waste a lot of paper, and our courts really need to think a lot more about our trees and water. हमारे पेड़ और पानी को इंसाफ चाहिए, my lord.